Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create MetaTrader for real account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see settings option at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to the settings section where you can see new account options on the screen. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the another section where you can see two options. You simply need to tap on second one, which is login to an existing account, and you need to search for your broker account. Let's say I have registered on capital.com. Now in here you'll be able to see the capital.com real, which is at second. Once you tap on it, it will ask you for your login ID and your password. So once you complete your credentials, you need to click on sign in, which is at top right corner, and you'll be able to create MetaTrader for real account successfully. So basically this is how you can create MetaTrader for a real account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.